Hi guys, Nanny has decided she wants to clean the fan. It is filthy, I have to admit. So we're going to take it apart. At the top we got a bolt goes through, undo that. The ring comes off the outside. So we separate this side. That means we can get to the fan blade, which has got a clamp on the front of it, something we undo. That'll come off, then we can wash that, wash this, and the back comes off as well. Okay, don't lose the nut that's in there. So we've got a ring to clean, a grill to clean, and then this has got a reverse thread on it. Those two bits, and yeah, pretty filthy. And then the back grill, quite conveniently actually says loose and tight on it, telling you which way to turn it. That comes off. So I can now give this a bit of a wipe over as well, and probably wipe the dust off the bottom as well. Well, that's cleaned the grease off it. Unfortunately, it is still discoloured. If we were doing one of those restoration projects, which we're not, we'd actually treat this with peroxide hair cleaning agent, because that actually whitens it. But we're not going that far. We're just getting the dust and dirt off it. It hasn't had any attention for several years. That's the clean side. It's even got spray paint on it. Because this used to be in the garage. I've cleaned this up. I've cleaned the pole, or whatever you want to call it. I've even cleaned the dust off the bottom. Oh, and this, the cable, I was cleaning it and noticed that it got a black line all the way along it. Took me a while to realise that's actually writing on there. It tells you what type of cable it is. So that doesn't come off, or if it does, it's not supposed to. 0.75mm Longwell, whatever that is. CEBEC. There's all sorts of writing all the way along it. On the back grill, again, we got the dust off it, but there's rust on it. If we were going to, again, if we were trying to do a full restoration, you'd have to put that in an acid bath or something, strip the paint off it, and respray it. And we're not doing that either. 2 small holes, 1 hole. Line that with pegs. And put that one on. It says turn it that way to tighten it. It's got a key on it. This one also tells you loosen, fasten and loosen. Oh, fair enough. Right, the next bit's the fun bit. So we get this on. There's a key on the bottom there. Right, that bit's all right. Now we've got to get the other one in there. Okay. There we are. Cleaner. And back together. Yes, if we wanted it to look perfect, we would have had to strip the paint off to get rid of the rust. But I don't think we'll worry about that. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.